your GK class. Today we are going to discuss an interesting mission which added feathers to the name of ISRO, and the name of the mission was Mission MOM, that is Mars Orbiter Mission. So open page number 33 of your GK books. Students, let me tell you something about ISRO Center, which made Mission MOM possible. Established in 1969, ISRO superseded the erstwhile Indian National Committee for Space Research. Headquartered in Bangalore, ISRO is under the administrative control of the Department of Space, Government of India. Since its establishment, ISRO has achieved numerous milestones. The scientists involved in this mission were V. Keswaraju, who was mission director, Chandra Dhattan, the director of liquid propulsion system, then A.S. Kiran Kumar, who was the director of satellite application center, Mr. Annadurai, the program director, M.Y.S. Prasad, director at Satish Dhawan Space Center, S.K. Shiva Kumar, director at ISRO Satellite Center, and B. Jayakumar, associate project director at PSLV. Some basic details about the spacecraft. The spacecraft was of mass 1350 kg, which included 852 kg of propellant mass, and the dimensions of that spacecraft, which was cuboid in shape, was approximately of 1.5 meter, that is 4 feet 11 inches. Scientific instruments. The 15 kg scientific payload consists of 5 instruments which was sent in this spacecraft to know the morphology, mineralogy, texture of the soil on Mars and Mars atmosphere. This payload consists of LAP, that is Lyman alpha photometer, MSM methane sensor for Mars, MENCA Mars exospheric neutral composition analyzer, TIS thermal infrared imaging spectrometer, MCC, that is Mars color camera. Students, this payload was of only 15 kg, and these things were made so lighter so that they can easily accommodate with the rocket on which they were sent, as we were using PSLV rocket, which was not that efficient to take a heavy satellite or heavy spacecraft along with it. So the payload was designed in such a way that it has got minimum mass. Mission objective. The objective of this mission was exploration of Mars surface features, morphology, texture, mineralogy, and Martian atmosphere. Martian atmosphere means Mars atmosphere. That is, main objective was to know about the activities which were happening in Mars, and this was done using indigenous scientific technology. Students, just take a look of this spacecraft, which is also called as Mangalyaan, which was sent to Earth's orbit using PSLV XL rocket. This is its trajectory or its path, as it was triggered when it come closer to Earth to maintain a bigger orbit, and hence in this way it was sent to the orbit of Mars. And once it reached to the orbit of Mars, it started sending the photographs and the other important informations which can be sent through this satellite. Some interesting facts about Mission MOM. India becomes the first country in the world to insert a spacecraft into the Martian orbit in its very first attempt. It was developed and deployed in just 15 months. Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, becomes the fourth space agency to reach Mars after Roscosmos, NASA, and ESA. The project was approved by the Government of India on 3rd August 2012 and cost rupees 450 crores. MOM is the cheapest and lowest cost interplanetary mission even to be undertaken in the world. It cost us all a mere rupees 4 per person. So it's very cost efficient mission which was accomplished by ISRO in just 15 months. This is all for today. Thank you.